today I'm cleaning the, sterilising the pipes in the Caravan and also the water container that we use, the aqua roll, not the water container, the aqua roll, let's have it right. So to do this I'm using PuriClean. You can buy it from most caravans and motorhome stores. You can also use Milton, I think it's called, the baby sterilising stuff, but I prefer to use the PuriClean myself. So with this PuriClean you put 1 teaspoon of PuriClean in to every 4.5 litres of water, which is near enough equivalent to a gallon. So in the aqua roll it's 40 litres, so I've put 9 teaspoons in, and 1 for good luck. I like to put the 1 in for good luck. So yeah, I try and do it every 6 months. It was May when we last did it, but we haven't used the Caravan since November, so I'm going to get it done now because we're going out in the next week or two. So I've already put the PuriClean into the aqua roll. I did that an hour and a half ago. Give it a good shaking up and let it stand for an hour and a half. You got to let it stand for 1 to 12 hours. I usually find an hour and a half stood in the aqua roll helps clean the aqua roll first. Now I'm going to pump it through into the Caravan and leave it for a further hour and a half in the pipes in the Caravan. So we'll go and get that done now. We better make some empty the sink because we can't let the water come out while the sink's full of stuff. So what we usually do is put stuff in the sink while we're travelling. Stops it going everywhere. So now I'm going to go outside and connect the pipe. Right, so put the tip off there. Bang along. Opposite it. Nice watch the camera. Click that down, and we should start being able to put the water through. So what we're going to do first is get the water into the pipes. So what I'm going to do is go to the shower because that's the furthest point from the inlet, and get the water coming through to the shower. Let's shove that over there somewhat. And let's get it. So we have the water coming through to there. So look, what's it right now? Get them out of there because that's got what's it in. So I've got water coming through to there. So getting the water coming out here. Yeah. Got water coming through there. So that's primed. This is cold water, by the way, so cold. Right, so we've primed it on the cold. What I like to do now is just to get a bit, it's obviously going to be cold coming out of the hot, but we need to do the hot pipes as well, so yeah, we've got the hot coming out of the hot there. So this one, hot's, yeah, hot coming out of the hot there. And hot coming out of the hot there. Right, so now we've done that, we've got to wait at least an hour. I like to leave it for an hour and a half, so in an hour and a half time we'll come back and do some more. So Time does half fly, does it? Only seems a couple of minutes ago since I last spoke to you. It's in fact been an hour and 40 minutes since. So now we've had it in the pipes for an hour and 40 minutes, what we need to do is start getting the pipes cleaned out. And to do this we have to run the water through so the aqua roll is empty, and then run the water through, fill the aqua roll up, and do this. I like to repeat this about 3 times, and then we'll test the water. Well, we'll see if the water's clean by then. So turn the tap on in here. Turn the tap on in there. I'm not turning the tap on in here. The shower tap stopped. The shower's stopped now. What I'm going to do is turn the kitchen tap off. You don't really need to do all the taps running. As long as you give the pipes a clean in each of the taps, it's not too bad. I'll just get it all flowing through to the shower on this one, and then it clean the shower pipes out. So, I know you'll see as we go along. I'm just going to turn the water to the hot position so that it goes through the hot water pipes as well. Yeah, nice knot there. Right, so the water pressure is dropping now, so that means we're getting to the end of the barrel, which means I have to go and fill the barrel up and rinse it all through, because this is still got the solution in there. And that's the pump just finishing. Let's turn the pump off. So I've isolated the pump to stop it burning out. We've put some more water in the barrel, so now we're flushing it out. So again, turn the shower on. It does help if you turn the pump on first. So I'll turn the pump on. Pump's on. And the shower's flowing. Again, I'll leave the front sink till later, because I want my water to go through the pipes up that way. So all we can do now is sit and wait for it to run dry. Again, like I say, we'll do this probably, well, this is the first barrel. I want to put 3 barrels through before I even test it to see if it's alright. So I'll put 3 barrels through, and then well, I'll show you how we test the water, make sure it's alright, and see. So I'll see you in a few minutes. So guys, we're down almost 220 litres of water I've put through this now, rinsing it out. So I want to make sure it's all the fluids out of it. One of the first tests is put your fingers in. Does it feel slimy? That doesn't feel slimy to me. That feels quite, it just feels like normal. So Second test is the glass of water. Does it taste alright? So the taste test. Does it taste alright? Let's have a look. It does taste alright. I think we might just put another barrel through, but it does taste alright. So while we're waiting for the fourth barrel to come through and flush the pipes out, let's test the smoke alarm, because we're going away in a few weeks, so we need to make sure it's working. So yeah, that's working. And the carbon monoxide detector, yep, that's working as well. So that's a good do. We know that we're safe from carbon monoxide fumes and also from smoke alarm. You might notice that's a fire angel smoke alarm. I am going to change it to a fire angel toast resistant smoke alarm. That's what I thought that was, but it wasn't. So we're going to change it to a fire angel toast resistant alarm. That way it's not going to go off every time we cook the toast. Okay, see you in a while. Bye. Right, let's do another taste test. That's a lot better than it was last time. Tasted alright last time, but that was like it should taste. So we'll let that carry on draining off, and remember, if you like this video, to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done already, and hit the notification icon. That way you'll receive notifications of our next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye.